Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Exness to Redotpay. First, open the Redotpay app on your phone. Go to Wallet and tap on Deposit. Then select USDT as the deposit currency. Choose the network, usually TRC20 for lower fees. After selecting the network, copy your wallet address carefully and make sure you remember the exact network you selected, whether it is TRC20, ERC20, or PEP20. Next, go to the official website of Exness and log in to your personal area. Click on Withdrawal and choose Tether USDT as your withdrawal method. Now select the same network you choose in Redotpay. Paste the copied Redotpay wallet address into the address field, enter the withdrawal amount, and confirm the request. After that, complete the required email or SMS verification. Then wait for blockchain confirmation. In most cases, especially with TRC20, the funds arrive within a few minutes. If Redotpay appears directly as a payment option inside Exness, you can simply select Redotpay, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Once processed, the fund will reflect in your Redotpay balance. Keep in mind that this option may be not available in all regions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.